Krishna said to Arjuna, those who fix their mind. Om Namah Shivaya! Om Namah Shivaya! अतः द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमाः। Arjuna said, O Krishna, between those who are steadfastly devoted to your personified form and those who worship the formless unity, who are the ones who are better yogis? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Veshamano Ye Mam Nityayukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayopetaha Te Me Yuktatamamataha. Lord Krishna said to Arjuna, those who fix their minds on me and are devoted to me with unwavering focus, I consider them to be the best of yogis. Ye tvaksharamanirdesyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatra gamachintyam cha kutasthamachalam dhruvam. But those who worship the formless aspect of the absolute truth, the imperishable, the indefinable, the unmanifest, the all-pervading, the unthinkable, unchanging, eternal and fixed. Sanniyamyendriya gramam sarvatra samabuddhayah te prapnuvanti mameva sarvabhutahite rataah. By restraining their senses and being even-minded everywhere, such people engaged in the welfare of all beings, they too shall attain me. Kleshodhikatarastesham avyaktasaktachetasam avyakta hi gadir dukkham dehavadbhiravapyate. But those whose minds are attached to the unmanifest, the path towards realization is more troublesome. Worship of the unmanifest is extremely difficult for embodied beings. Ye tu sarvani karmani mai sanyasya matparaha ananyenaiva yogena mam dhyayanta upasate. Dedicate all your actions to me, regarding me as your supreme goal, worshipping me and meditating upon me with exclusive devotion. Teshamaham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat partha maya veshita chetasam. O Partha, I swiftly deliver them from the ocean of birth and death, since their minds have entered me. Mayeva mana adhatsva mayi buddhim niveshaya nivashishyasi mayeva ata urdhvam na samshayah. Fix your mind upon me alone and surrender your intellect to me. Thereupon you will always live in me. Of this there is no doubt. Ata chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mai sthiram abhyasa yogena tato mamichhaptum dhananjaya. If you are unable to fix your mind steadily upon me, O Arjuna, then practice remembering me with devotion while constantly restraining the mind from worldly affairs. अभ्यासेऽप्य समर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि. If you cannot practice remembering me, then just try to work for me. By performing devoted service to me, you shall find attainment. अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्. If you are unable to work for me with devotion, then try to renounce the fruits of your actions and be situated in self. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat jnanadhyanam vishishyate ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाक्षान्तिरनन्तरम्. True knowledge of the self leads to a greater well-being than by following mere practices. Sustained meditation upon the self leads to a greater well-being than true knowledge. Disentanglement from the fruits of your action leads to an even better well-being, and even better than that is staying in a continuous ambience of inner peace. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karuda eva cha निर्ममो निरहंकारः samadukha sukha shami. Such a devotee of mine is very dear to me, who is free from malice towards all living beings, who is friendly and compassionate. Such a person who is free from attachments to possessions and egocentrism. Such a person who is equal in happiness, distress, and is ever forgiving. संतुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. Someone who is ever contented, steadily united with me in devotion, self-control, firm in conviction, and dedicated to me in mind and intellect is very dear to me. यस्मान्नोर्विजते लोको लोकान्नोर्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर्मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः. A person who is not a source of unpleasantness to anyone, and who in turn is not agitated by anyone, who is equanimous in pleasure and pain, and is free from fear and anxiety. Such a devotee of mine is very dear to me. अनपेक्षः सुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यतः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. A devotee who is pure, efficient, unattached, and renounces all selfish actions is dear to me. यो न कृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः. One who neither rejoices nor hates, neither desires nor grieves, and is devoted to me is very dear to me. समः शत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समः सङ्गविवर्जितः. One who remains equal to both friend and enemy, honor and dishonor, heat and cold, happiness and sorrow, and is free from attachments is dear to me. तुल्य निन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. One who is unaffected by praise or criticism, is self-controlled, content with whatever he gets, does not cling to his home, and has a steady mind is very dear to me. ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदं यतोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः. A person who continuously meditates upon this nectar like dharma, as it is mentioned here, with devoted focus towards me, such devotees of mine are the dearest to me. Om Tat Saditi Srimad-Bhagavad-Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Nama Dvadashodhyayah. Harihi Om. Shri Vishnu Rupaya Namah Shivaya. Andaru cheppandi. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Parvati Pataye